Welcome to Fashion Trends. Subscribe to receive free awesome videos from our channel. And remember to hit the bell icon so you can receive similar types of these videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome back to Fashion Trends, and today's video will be seeing about how to style your sarees in a unique way. So let's get into this video. So friends, you can try going on with seeing different sarees as they give you a unique look, and you can try going on with sarees that have a unique blouse that includes blouses which have workings like Ari and Makam working as they give you a unique look. You can try going on with broad bordered sarees as they give you a beautiful look, and you can try going on with the contrast color for your border as the color for your saree. You can try going on with designs of e-cut designs, or you can try going on with floral designs and many more designs too. You can try going on with silver jewellery for cotton sarees and gold jewellery for silk and Banarasi sarees, and you can try going on with pearl and uncut diamond jewellery for royal sarees. So hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. Just remember to like to our channel and subscribe to our channel so you can purchase similar types of these unique sarees which are seen in this video by clicking the link below in the description box. Friends, you can buy these on Amazon and they're absolutely beautiful. So bye friends.